Good morning. Let's make a peep in design space. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up my design space. I'm going to grab a circle. I'm immediately going to duplicate that circle because I need two parts for my body. I'm going to make the bottom part of the body larger. And then I want to unlock the second circle so I can adjust it to make it a little bit different of a shape. And then I'm going to overlap it right here. Then I'll highlight, and then I'll weld, and there's the bottom part of our body. So then I'm going to take another circle, and I want to unlock it again. I'm going to start to create the ears here. So I'm going to make them about like that, and I want to duplicate this because I'm going to need two. So then I come and bring them over here. And then I want to arrange them so that they look like bunny ears. This is just for an example, so I want to make sure they may not be just perfect. Let's go ahead and do this. Looks a little off here. Here we go. So I'm going to highlight again. I'm going to weld again. There is my Peep body. Let's change the color so that we actually have, a Peep shape here. And I'm going to come over here. I like the little fuchsia or pinky little purple look. So I am going to take one circle, and I need to make it small because what I'm going to do with it is create my eyes and my nose. Once I've created it or moved it to make it smaller, I'm going to duplicate it. So I've got 3 total. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to place it on the body. And there is my Peep. So when you're done, if you want to take this as a picture, you can go to settings, go to no grid, hit done, and there you go. Thanks for joining me. Like and follow for more.